Hey, want to turn everyday tasks into done in seconds moments? This is your channel. We explore the smartest AI tools online and show you how to use them like a pro. Fast, simple, and stress-free.
What if you could unlock ChatGPT, Gemini, Netflix, and a bunch of premium tools for less than the price of one subscription? Sounds like one of those too good to be true things, right? Well, that's exactly what GamsGo is doing. And after testing it, there are a few things you definitely need to know before you jump in. Real for a second, subscriptions are getting out of control. You've got Netflix, maybe Spotify, maybe ChatGPT, maybe even some AI tools, and suddenly you're spending $50, $100, sometimes way more every single month. Sound familiar? Now here's where GamsGo comes in. Instead of paying full price for each service, GamsGo lets you access those same premium subscriptions, but shared, meaning you only pay a fraction of the cost. And we're not talking about small savings here. In some cases, you can save up to 70 to 75% compared to normal pricing. So instead of choosing between, do I want ChatGPT or Netflix this month, you can actually have both and still spend less than before. And honestly, that's the biggest reason people are switching. It's not about getting something new. It's about finally making subscriptions affordable again. Now here's where it gets really interesting. GamsGo isn't just about streaming services anymore. It's heavily moving into AI tools. From the screenshot, you can see things like ChatGPT, Gemini, Suno, ElevenLabs, all in one place. So imagine this. Instead of paying separately for multiple AI platforms, you log into one dashboard, and you can switch between tools depending on what you need. Let's say you're writing content. You use ChatGPT. Then you want a second opinion. You jump into Gemini. Need voice generation? ElevenLabs? Music? Suno. And this is the part most people miss. You're not locked into one AI ecosystem. You can literally compare outputs, test different tools, and get better results without paying for each one individually. That's something even a lot of professionals don't have access to, unless they're spending a lot of money. So if you're into AI, content creation, or even just experimenting, as this becomes insanely powerful. To get started, simply click the referral link in the description or the pinned comment below to enter the official GamsGo website directly. Once the page opens, create your GamsGo account by signing up with your email address or logging in if you already have an account. After completing the registration process, search for ChatGPT and open the subscription page. Next, choose your preferred subscription plan and continue to the checkout page. Select your payment method, review your order details carefully, and proceed with the payment process step by step. Before completing your payment, enter the promo code to unlock extra savings. You can get 5% off YouTube subscriptions and 3% off other products. Once your purchase is complete, open the subscription section, access your account details, and start using ChatGPT right away. Now you might be thinking, okay, but shared accounts sound complicated. Like, do you have to coordinate with people, manage logins, deal with random users messing things up? That's actually what surprised me the most. GamsGo handles everything for you. Once you buy a subscription, you just go into your dashboard, and everything is already set up. Login details, access, even instructions on which profile to use, it's all there. So there's no awkward, hey, can you not change the password situations? Everything is managed on their side, and it feels surprisingly smooth, and honestly, that's what makes it usable. Because if it was complicated, nobody would stick with it. But here, it's basically plug and play. Now, let's not pretend this is perfect. There are a few things you should absolutely be aware of. First, it really depends on the type of subscription you choose. GamsGo offers both shared access and dedicated private accounts, depending on what works best for you, while private accounts give you a more personal experience. Second, because this system depends on shared access, you might occasionally run into small issues. Maybe a login glitch, maybe a temporary interruption. The good news? From what users report, support is actually very responsive and fixes things quickly. But still, this is not the same as having your own personal, fully private subscription. So here's the honest takeaway. If you want bigger savings, shared plans make a lot of sense. And if you prefer more privacy, GamsGo also offers private account options. Just depends on what matters more to you. So who should actually use GamsGo? If you're a student, this is a no-brainer. You get access to premium tools without destroying your budget. If you're a content creator, it's even better. You can test multiple AI tools, create content faster, and experiment without committing to expensive subscriptions. And even if you're just a casual user, someone who wants Netflix, maybe some AI tools, maybe YouTube Premium, this gives you flexibility you normally wouldn't have. Instead of cutting things out, you actually expand what you can access while still spending less. And that's kind of the whole point. To get started, simply click the referral link in the description or the pinned comment below. GamsGo basically turns expensive subscriptions into something actually manageable and even powerful when you combine multiple tools. If you want to try it or see current prices, check the link below. And if you want more honest breakdowns like this, you already know what to do.